So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Then you want to restart your page and then see if that fixes the problem. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search and then type in VPN settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, if you have any active VPN enabled right now, you just want to disable it and then see if that works for you. You also want to head over to search again and then type in proxy settings. Click on it. You want to do the same thing. If you have a proxy set up, you want to disable it. Now for the next method, once you're in your web browser, you want to click on the three dots and then click on settings. And then you want to click on about Chrome or about Firefox or about Edge or whatever web browser that you're using. Now once you click on that, it's going to tell you if your browser is up to date. If it's not up to date, then it will just automatically update it for you. Now for the next method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on settings. And now once you're on here, you want to click on privacy and security, and then you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make sure that next to time range you have all time selected, and then you want to tick browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cache images and files, and then click on delete data. Now for the next step, once you're in your web browser, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. Now once you're on this, you just want to either disable your extensions or remove them, and then see if this fixes your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, you just want to simply close your web browser, and then just open it up again, and then see if that works for you. Now if that's still not working, you want to head over to search, and then type in CMD. Then you want to run as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter. Then we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. Then you want to restart your computer and then that should fix the problem. If you tried all these methods and the problem is still not fixed, then the servers are probably down and you need to just wait for it to come back up.